Welcome to a day in the life of a part-time reseller and a full-time mom. It's time to take a shower and get the day rolling. We've been getting so much snow lately, and this was just the beginning of it. I always start my day with a cup of coffee, totally non-negotiable. I truly cannot function without it. After coffee, we jump right into homeschooling. Some days it takes longer than others. It really just depends on the lesson. What are some meals you guys make on a daily basis, or even just in general? I'm curious what everyone else is eating. Today, I'm just using up what I have in my cupboards and throwing things together. That's usually how I roll. Any guesses as to what I'm making? If you think you know, go ahead and drop it in the comments down below. I feel like reselling is kind of the same way, using what you already have instead of always chasing the next thing. I've been trying to focus more on listing through my existing inventory, aka my procrastination pile, instead of constantly sourcing more. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of finding new items, but there's usually so much value sitting right at home waiting to be listed. Some days I just pick up a few pieces, get them photographed, and call it a win. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. Little progress still counts, especially on busy days or days where you cannot leave the house, in my case, because it's just been so chaotic with snow and ice, and the weather's just been crazy, not just for me, but for a lot of other people too. While I'm cooking, I'm watching Abby Askew. She's one of my favorite YouTubers right now, and she just bought a house, so I've been loving her renovation series so far. What are some other YouTubers you guys watch? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to check them out. The potatoes are done, so now I'm going to finish getting ready. I totally forgot to put product in my hair before it air dried, so it's a little puffy and kind of a mess. I didn't tame the curls very well this time, but that's okay. It is what it is. I'm just doing some light minimal makeup today as well. I don't wear makeup every day, but this is usually what I do when I do wear makeup, and I keep my products super clean. I have eczema, so I try to do eczema friendly makeup. As you see, I mainly use Thrive and Tower 28. And now for jewelry, my favorite part, I'm wearing my favorite ring, and it reminds me of Bella Swan. And I actually found this in California last summer, and I'm pairing it with some matching earrings that I thrifted. Here's the final look. What do you think? Now I'm making plates for my kids. My boys are pretty picky eaters. In case you didn't know, I have a 9-year-old and a 5-year-old. Now I'm building my own plate, and if you guessed chili, you're right. We're mostly vegetarian in this house, but we do eat meat occasionally, and this is my lunch. Now we are going to make some muffins. These are gluten-free because, well, I'm gluten-free, if you didn't know, and they're one of my favorite muffin recipes. I'll have it linked in the description below. Okay, while those muffins are baking for 20 minutes, it takes about 20 minutes, I'm just gonna sit here in my bed and like chill out for a second. I'm so exhausted. I feel like I've gotten so much, like I've been doing so much, but nothing has been getting done, like if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm just gonna chill out for a second and get to work, because I still have to pack up my sales that I made last night, as well as list some items, and I have to do my walking. I'm walking 2 miles a day, and I try to get 1 mile in the morning and 1 mile at night, and I was not able to get a mile in this morning. So I'm so tired. I didn't sleep well last night, and yeah, I'm trying to work on getting better sleep. But anyway, I'm just gonna chill out while those muffins are baking, and after, get some reselling work done. Muffins are all done. Now I'm going to get some light exercise. I'm listening to my all-time favorite band, My Chemical Romance. I'm actually going to their concert later this year, and I am so freaking excited. 14-year-old me would have absolutely lost it. I've also found that listening to music while walking actually makes the time go by a lot faster compared to listening or watching a YouTube video. I bought a walking pad because I hate cold weather and I don't want to walk in the snow, and so this really helps me get some steps in during the day, and I'm just getting a quick little mile in, and look, I did it, yay! I got my mile walk in. Now I need to pull my sales and photograph 5 items and then pack up the boys and go to the library. Shouldn't take me too long, but you never know. Where's my phone? Oh, I don't know where it's at. Okay, let's see. I have one eBay order. eBay has been so slow for me these days. Oh, yeah. 21.36. Jason. And one Poshmark sale. I thought I had more than that. And one Mercari sale. Happy. Let's go ahead and pack it up. Alright, the first item I am pulling is an Anthro item. This sold on Mercari after 7 days, and honestly I was bummed because the buyer rated me 3 stars. I really feel like this one was one of those unfair ratings. I accepted her offer and shipped it the very next day. She mentioned the item was washed and then dry cleaned, which, I mean, it's polyester. I had close-up photos of the fabric, and I genuinely thought it was in good condition. I didn't see any runs or pulls, whatever. I just hate that Mercari makes you rate the buyer before you can see how they rated you, because yeah, I gave her 5 stars. Next up is this Athleta t-shirt. Took 52 days to sell on eBay for $9.99. Definitely not picking up super basic Athleta pieces anymore, especially the tanks and the t-shirts, because not worth my time. And then my last sale is this City Chic dress that took 807 days to sell on Poshmark for $38. This is another brand I'll probably leave behind. It just doesn't move fast anymore. Do you guys still pick up this brand? My total net profit for all 3 items was only $58.41. Definitely not my best day, but also not my worst. Now it's time to photograph some items I found at the bins. I'll link this haul in the cards above. This was from Gary location, and I actually haven't been there in quite some time. Honestly, I haven't been to the bins since last year, and I'm definitely starting to get that itch again, and I really want to go. My process for photographing is pretty simple. I mean, straightforward. I also take measurements and take photos of those measurements using a yardstick. Sometimes when the item is too long, I have to use a tape measure, but I always hang up my big bulky items in my guest bedroom closet. My guest bedroom looks like a tornado has run through it, so I need to get all my items listed and clean that baby up. But yep, now I'm just gonna speed through these listings and get as many photographed as I can. Alright, I was able to get this many items photographed. I don't remember how many. I really hate photographing, but I have a bins haul coming out later today. I want to at least try to get some items up in case somebody is interested in something. I have a very bad habit of releasing my haul videos before I photograph everything. And I hate it, absolutely hate it, when you go to photograph something and you notice a flaw that you didn't notice when you were at the bins or whatever. And now my video is already ready to go live. I can't go back and like edit in there like, oh, there was a small flaw. So it is what it is. All right, so I got my 3 sales packed up, photographed items. I actually photographed more than I was planning to do, which is great. And we're gonna head to the library, and then I'm gonna list these items at the library. My sons are going to refresh their books. We're supposed to get hit with another storm tonight, and they read books so fast, so it'll be a nice little refresher and give them something to read this weekend. And then I'm gonna drop my sales off. So yeah, let's go ahead and get those things done. I need the keys. I have a return. Well, the library was closing a lot earlier than expected, so I did my listing at home on the kitchen table. I'm going to start winding down for the night with my favorite drink, a White Claw. Very basic of me, I know, but honestly, it hits. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I was able to get 9 listings up, but now I'm gonna spend some time with my husband and hang out and chill for the rest of the day. Oh, I was able to get 9 listings up tonight. Oh, sorry, I got like Vaseline all over my face. My lips are chapped, okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!